Welcome to the LearnSphere YouTube channel. Today we will talk about Cryptography tutorial. What is cryptography? Cryptography involves the study and implementation of methods used to conceal the true meaning of information by converting it into formats that are not easily readable by humans, and vice versa. To illustrate this concept, consider the following example. Imagine you wish to transmit the message "I love apples." You can achieve this by substituting each letter in the message with the third successive letter in the alphabet. The resulting encrypted message would be "KNKEXKRNGU." Decrypting the message involves reversing this transformation by moving back 3 letters in the alphabet for each encrypted letter, thereby revealing the original message. This process of encryption and decryption ensures that sensitive information remains secure during transmission and storage. Cryptography is the practice of concealing information's true meaning by transforming it into non-human readable formats and then converting it back. To illustrate, imagine you want to send the message "I love apples" by shifting each letter 3 places forward in the alphabet. "I love apples" becomes "KNKEXKRNGU." To decrypt, reverse the process by shifting each letter 3 places backward. This ensures that sensitive information remains secure during transmission and storage. Features of cryptography. A list of cryptography's features are given below: algorithm confidentiality, integrity, adaptability, interoperability, authentication, scalability, key management. Applications of cryptography. Cryptography finds extensive application in various domains, including CSCL or TELS encryption, password storage, secure online banking, cryptocurrency transactions, encrypted emails, digital signatures, secure communication channels, e-commerce, and online transactions. What is cryptanalysis? Cryptanalysis is the practice of decrypting encrypted messages without access to the key bust for encryption. It employs mathematical analysis and algorithms to uncover the plain text from ciphertext. Cryptanalysis is employed to breach security systems and gain access to encrypted content and messages, even when the cryptographic key is unknown. The success of cryptanalysis attacks hinges on several factors: time, available computing power, storage capacity. Cryptanalysis is the practice of decrypting encrypted messages without access to the key used for encryption. It employs mathematical analysis and algorithms to uncover the plain text from ciphertext. Cryptanalysis is employed to breach security systems and gain access to encrypted content and messages, even when the cryptographic key is unknown. The success of cryptanalysis attacks hinges on several factors: time, available computing power, storage capacity. Commonly used cryptanalysis techniques include brute force attack. This method employs algorithms that systematically try all possible logical combinations of plaintext to compare with the original ciphertext. Dictionary attack. In this approach, a predefined word list is used to find matches for either the plain text or the encryption key. It is particularly effective for cracking encrypted passwords. Rainbow table attack. This technique involves comparing ciphertext against precomputed hashes to identify matches. Speeding. What is cryptology? Cryptology is the study and practice of secure communication techniques, encompassing both cryptography, which focuses on encrypting information to ensure confidentiality, and cryptanalysis, which involves deciphering encrypted data without the corresponding key. It plays a fundamental role in safeguarding sensitive information across various domains, from military communications to financial transactions and digital privacy. Encryption algorithms. MD5. MD5 stands for Message Digest Algorithm 5. It generates 1 to 8-bit hash values, which are theoretically irreversible back to the original plaintext. MD5 is commonly used for encrypting passwords and verifying data integrity. However, it lacks collision resistance, meaning it's vulnerable to finding 2 inputs that produce the same hash value. SHA, or Secure Hash Algorithm, creates condensed representations of messages known as message digests. There are several versions: SHA-0, initially produced 1 to 0-bit hash values, but was withdrawn due to significant flaws. SHA-1 produces 1/6-bit hash values and is similar to earlier versions of MD5. It has cryptographic weaknesses and is not recommended since 2010. SHA-2 includes SHA-256 using 32-bit words and SHA-512 using 64-bit words. SHA-3, formerly known as KEKIC, it's a newer and more secure algorithm. RC4 is a stream cipher algorithm used to create stream ciphers. It's widely used in protocols like SSL Secure. Thanks for watching.